Welcome. In front of me is a TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS, which is a mouthful. But anyway, I'll go over unboxing today of this product. And just a quick look at maybe first the back of it, which gives us several different informations about this device. So number one, and probably the most important one, it's running a Snapdragon Wear 4100. So it should give you a decent battery life here. I think this should be like one of the newer ones, so it should be pretty good. It gives us a battery of up to 72 hours of battery in smart mode, whichever that one is, and 45 days in essential mode. Now essential mode will probably show you only just like the time. You have 20 plus professional workout modes, IP68, so water and I think dust resistant, so you can swim in it, though it doesn't really say to what kind of depth. You have Google Assistant, some kind of monitoring, GPS, dual display. So it looks like this one might be the watch with the old school display, the LCD one that just kind of showed like basic information, and an actual OLED or LCD under that, which I did see at one point. I never actually seen it in person, so I guess we'll find out how that looks like. Then we have some heart rate, Google Pay, so basically NFC in other words, and 1,000 plus watch faces to choose on Google Play, so through Play Store I guess. Anyway, let's just jump straight to it. Whoops. I have this instruction just like weirdly placed right here. I'll just put that to the side and get a watch. Gonna unclip it right away. That is clipped pretty tightly. There we go. And I will turn it on so you can kind of see the display itself. Assuming I know how to turn it on. Come on, there isn't that many buttons. Okay, so it's not turning on. Anyway, let's move over to charging cable right here. And just instruction. So that's basically all we get in here. Now I'm gonna quickly try and make this work. Hopefully by plugging it into charging, this hopefully solves the problem. But I guess we'll find out in a jiffy. There was a vibration. But it just shows you charging. So I think it's completely dead, unfortunately, so I have no way of showing anything here. Now anyway, I guess this would conclude this video strictly on unboxing, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.